Among the tools that can contribute to oral health, the tongue scraper is one of the most sought by patients. And it is not for nothing. This item promises to remove microorganisms that cause oral problems like halitosis. Did you know that? Choosing a tongue scraper should follow some recommendations. For starters, it is necessary to understand that it should be used together with your toothbrush. It is not a replacement. The toothbrush organizes the residues in your mouth, making the cleaning easier and efficient. When choosing your scraper model, you will probably find lots of options. Seek the ones with an anatomic design, which will make the process of scraping your tongue simpler. Silicone, plastic, copper, and stainless steel tongue scrapers have the same functions and efficiently remove bacteria from your tongue. The difference is in the maintenance. Copper is the most common version, used for thousands of years. It is naturally antibacterial, so after using it, all you need to do is pour some running water over the tongue scraper to clean it. This material tends to get a little darker with use due to oxidation, like silver, but it is normal. It will be sparkling new again after you rub some lemon juice over it with a sponge. Stainless steel scrapers aren't naturally antibacterial, so it is necessary to clean them with soap and water after using them. Steel remains the same regardless of use. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Also, plastic and silicone aren't naturally antibacterial, so it is necessary to clean them after each use. If well cared for, a tongue scraper can last your whole life. That is, the copper or stainless steel version, since they are 100% metal, a material with long durability. Remember to invest in an option with a delicate head design to make it easier to put the tongue scraper all the way inside your mouth and ensure a good cleaning. Also, models with bristles may not be a good idea. Since they have a shorter useful life, they need to be thrown away sooner than other models and accumulate more bacteria. Pay attention to it. If you still want a bristled tongue scraper, opt for those with soft or extra soft bristles. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.